My child's going to school out of state. Do they need any special documents? I'm attorney Michael Jenkins, and as an estate planning attorney, this is a question that sometimes comes up. It's usually where we've helped mom and dad set up their estate plan, then a child went off to college, so we got their healthcare directive set up, but somewhere along the way, mom and dad says, wait a second, they're going to school out of state. Do we need any kind of different documents for that state, or will a California document hold water there? And that's a great question. Without knowing exactly where they're going to, the default should be, it should, but let's talk about some of the nuances. When you go to set up a healthcare directive, you have a couple of ways to execute it. You can choose an option where you have two witnesses sign the document with your child, saying they witnessed them sign the document, and that's what validates it. Or you can have a notary acknowledge the document to say, yes, this person signed the document, I witnessed it, and I'll attest to that fact. Now, there's not really a right or wrong for which way you should go, but if we're in a scenario where a kid is going to go out of state, the time you may get into trouble is if that state's requirements for the witnesses, either the number of the witness or what makes a valid witness, there may be variations in state laws there. So if you're in California and you choose the two witness option, there's a chance, however small, that another state doesn't recognize that as a valid witness signature. Now, if you instead choose the option of having it notarized, every state is going to accept that. So if you're considering setting up a healthcare directive for your college kid and they're heading out of state for college, definitely go with the notary option when executing the healthcare document or the healthcare directive. That just takes one extra step to cover any and all possibilities and make sure that the wishes are upheld even in another state. Now, if you have any questions about healthcare directives or estate planning in general, always feel free to give us a call, send us an email, send us a text. Whatever's easiest, we're always here and we're happy to help.